I'm Bubba from the Bubba Rock Meat Company, and welcome to the Flavor Factory. We have an Italian blend. We have a mesquite blend. We have a hickory blend. Hamburger. Applewood. Wild. And peppered up. We also have a large container of rib and butt rub. We're going to show you how to use these spices on vegetables, on meats, on anything you want to actually add flavor to. And there also is a legend that we recommend of types of different meats that you can use them on, but that's just our recommendation. You can use anything on anything, they're all good. It's just what we recommend. And as always, like us on Facebook, hit the subscribe button to our YouTube channel, and we'll be bringing you videos and other things throughout the year.